It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 18 Laundry Street, Unit C201, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. It's a second floor, 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour when you walk in. Brand new flooring throughout. In the kitchen, you got your refrigerator, gas stove, plenty of countertop and cabinet space. Got your living room area here. High ceilings. Big windows for plenty of natural light. Make our way down the hallway here. To my left, you got bedroom number 1. Big enough for a queen set. Linen closet to my left. Bedroom number 2 to my right. Big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. Bathroom with a shower tub and vanity. To my left here. To my right, bedroom number 3, big enough for a king set. Across the hall, bedroom number 4, big enough for a queen set. I'd like to apply for 18 Laundry Street, Unit C201, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult when I fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.